So, padaan lang kita. May dapat kita deliver kan say how many milliseconds does it vibration take? So, the millisecond, the time, is for the period. And oscillations, T is just the inverse of frequency. So, that would be 784. 1 all over 784 cycle per second. So, second per cycle. So, inverse mo siya, that is seconds per cycle. 784, and that will give us 1.28 times 10 to the negative 3 unit would be seconds. So, if in the problem is in milliseconds, so basically that would be 1.28 millisecond. Okay, thank you guys.